Hey guys, it is Mark Coe for the 11th of February. Just wanted to take a look at markets as we open this second, I guess it's the second full week, or I don't know, kind of second full week of trading here in February. But either way, so a couple interesting things I noted today here in crude oil. And really no wonder that you're able to get some bounce reaction off of this bottom edge. So let's look again how this stuff plays out and how far in advance you have this marked on your screens. And so understand what we're doing. In any market, when we're analyzing levels, we're looking for top and bottom edge of consolidation, which I refer to as top and bottom edge, right? And I'm just simply marking where the market has traded. That's all I'm marking. The lows that the market would trade, the highs that the market would trade, right? That's what we have for frame of reference. But look at this play today. So think about how that works on a shorter term basis, right? On a shorter term basis. What it does is it provides counter trend long at the bottom edge of that. So that was kind of an opportunity today in crude. My focus has still been on sell side crude, but we're not at top edges in crude. We're just not there. We are at bottom edges in crude, so those remain to be looked at from a counter trend standpoint, a buy standpoint, right? That's what has to be approached in this zone. So again, this is where the zone is defined. That takes you all the way up to your 50, just under 56 highs. One reaction in late January, and then a second reaction today, 11th of February. So again, it was a nice dollar and change rotation. So certainly tradable for the shorter term people out there. Bigger picture, preference still really in wider ranges in terms of looking at top edge for sell side. And we'll see we'll see who comes out on top. But for now, the bottom edge buyers still hold it. Euro dollar. Euro's at some pretty crucial levels here. Let's take a look where euro sits. I mean, the risk is about as small as you can make it to play this bottom edge, and you're either going to hold in here or you're not, one of the two. So again, this is the edge I've been talking about for months now, and you have it available to you today. It's 1276 as I record this video. So you are sitting at that bottom edge now. Does not look very optimistic, but again, this is where so many momentum type traders will stay away from it, but yet realize this level has paid and paid and paid, which means every reaction in there has been bought and rotated up to give you some profit. Maybe it holds this time, maybe it doesn't. The idea is in trading these levels is to put these levels to work, and the ones that work are going to rotate for you and pay you. The ones that don't work, you're able to cut your risk and keep it smaller. That's the whole point of trading the levels, is that one, you don't know which direction it's going to be able to move. Two, you know where you're going to be able to operate. So that means you can operate at bottom edge. And that's what I'm constantly looking for across time horizons, across markets. You're looking for edges. To date, this edge has been controlled by the buy side. The buy side may very well end up not being successful in this run. But the idea is that your risk is as small as it could possibly be sitting at the bottom of that edge right now. So we'll see how it develops as we move through the week. This again is Monday, so I just wanted to look at it, understand what's available for you there now. You have bottom edge crude, you have bottom edge euro, some intermediate edge. It's not big picture edge in pound dollar, but you definitely have some sell off. I would call it more shorter term edge available in pound dollar. And again, this is pound dollar just to run through because it is a Monday. We can watch these things throughout the week. But the idea would be in this congestion consolidation zone, right? So this is what you're trading back to. You're trading back to the mid-January consolidation. All right, so think about what happened here. You visited either side of it. The decision was made to take it away and the buyers won. You are simply now trading back to that zone. So again, I'm going to continue to treat it the same way, to buy that bottom edge as long as it holds, and look for further rotation back into the 132 area in the near term. So we'll keep an eye on that, but again, you are very close to that bottom edge, 28 and a quarter, and if it gives way, you get out of the way. Right? You keep your risk very controlled. You keep your downside controlled. That's the whole idea. So for Monday, and we will view these things later in the week and kind of just see how they're playing out. But again, that's what sitting there now and what's available on a Monday. So cheers, guys. I hope everybody's having a nice start to the week.